1, 2, 3 windows in here need to be changed over to the 2.5-inch velvet blinds. Maybe upgrade that light fixture. This is tile. Just have a dated feel to it. Cabinets are showing a little bit of wear. This is a beautiful stove and a great looking space saver microwave. So that's nice. Nice to have some greenery back there. A couple trees. Four, 5, 6, and maybe upgrade this light. So 6, 7 windows. Eight, 9, 10, if Jenny says to put them there. 11, 12, 13, 14. Interesting light fixture. So we're at 15 windows. The paint is in overall good condition from what I've seen so far, but it is green. One piece, so you don't have to worry about grout and maintenance and all of that. Laminate. Windows 16. Window 17. A different laminate. Window 18. Different laminate. Window 19. Another type of laminate, 20, 21, 22 windows.